How to get WhatsApp verification code through email on iPhone. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone and tap U icon to open Settings in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Account and then select Email Address. Enter your email address and tap Next. WhatsApp will send a verification code to the email address you entered. Open your email. Look for the verification code that WhatsApp sends and enter the verification code in WhatsApp. And tap Verify. Keep in mind that adding an email address doesn't replace your phone number for the initial WhatsApp registration. WhatsApp may still require you to verify your phone number when registering or changing your account. That's how you can add and verify your email address on WhatsApp using your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.